can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love.
He is playing his game. He just came back from a long walk. I'm gonna play some Animal Crossing. Hi everyone, hello. I'm just making some breakfast. Reason I woke up so hungry, probably because I didn't have like a full-on dinner last night. It's first day of the month. It's a very weird feeling. It's exciting, gives you a chance to reset. I would hope that June is a lot more better. So I think I'm gonna post a what I ate in a week video. Did I do that already? Or what I eat in a day? Anyways, we're gonna do what I ate in a week. Going to try my best not to eat any meat. I was going to do no alcohol, but let's be real. Granola, blueberries, plain Greek yogurt, honey, chia seeds. Espresso. Cheers. Alright, gotta get my day started. I forgot that I was trying not to eat meat. By the time I was preparing the chicken, I was like, oh man, this is my cheat meal for the week. Still healthy, right?
I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love.